Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Kiki London have just released their Spring 2019 collection of gel polishes, and they are beautiful and just right for spring and summer manis. In the description box below you will find my link to their website along with my discount code for you to use as well. So in this video I'll be swatching all 6 colours and showing them matte versus glossy, as I always do. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So here are the 6 new colours, which is a nice mix of pale pastel colours. I've already done the bottle swatches, so these are the bottles ready and waiting. They are 7.3ml bottles, and on the back they also have information along with their names as well. So this one is called Beaches and Cream, and I'll start with this one. It's a beautiful orangey apricot type of colour. I personally have nothing like this in my whole collection, so I can't wait to see what I can create using Beaches and Cream. Next we have Buttercup, and this is a pastel yellow. The consistency on these gel polishes are the same as all of the other Kiki London gel colours I have. It's a nice medium thick gel polish which really helps for a smooth application, and this is a beautiful colour for spring. Next we have Fiji Water, and I'm absolutely in love with this colour. I see this as a Tiffany blue type of colour. I was recently looking at this type of colour from another brand, so I'm really excited about Fiji Water. Next we have Coral Whip, and this is a beautiful pastel coral peachy colour. I don't tend to wear this colour much, but I love using it for my swatch videos. In the description box you'll also find a link for my swatch review on the Kiki London spring collection from last year. Next we have Mojito Ice, and this is a classic mint green colour, a super popular colour as well, and I personally love using them. It's the lightest mint green in my whole gel polish collection. It's going to be well used though. And finally we have Just Lavish. This is a soft pastel lilac colour, and one I know I will personally use a lot. These 6 colours look amazing, and I'm excited to use them for my manis and my stamping swatch videos as well. For the glossy top coat I'll be using the Kiki London No Wipe Rubber Top Coat. This is a massive firm favourite for me. Now Kiki London do have a matte top coat, but I won't be using it. I'm just not a fan of it. I have others that I prefer to use instead, so I'll be using something different. This is just a personal choice. I know a lot of girls who use the Kiki London matte and love it. So I have my pop sticks and I'm ready to start swatching. So I'll start with Beaches and Cream, and I like to control my application by wiping off the gel polish from the brush and just pick up a small bead. I'll apply my first layer, making sure that I'm keeping each layer nice and thin, but a nice even coverage, and I'll cap the free edge, and for curing I'll be curing for 60 seconds. Once that's cured, which it's done beautifully, I'll apply my second coat. I would like to see what reds, browns and burgundies look like over the top of Beaches and Cream. I think they might look stunning. Now that the second layer has been cured, and I've also top coated as well, this is a very pretty colour, great for spring, summer, but also autumn as well. So now I'll bring in the matte version, and it is just beautiful as the glossy version is, and I really can't wait to start using this colour. Next we have Buttercup, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. This is going to be a great colour for spring and summer, but also autumnal manis as well. Yellow is a massively popular colour right now on social media. It is everywhere, so Buttercup is just perfect. Now you can purchase these in a set for £29.99 or individually at £5 £8.29, so very affordable. They also released a Topcoat Duo pack of the No Wipe top coat and the No Wipe matte top coat. They are the 15ml bottles and they are £13.99. So those prices aren't including my discount code, but extremely affordable. Now Buttercup is going to look great with reds, browns, oranges and burgundies. And this swatch has cured and top coated beautifully, and I'll show the matte version as well, and whether it's matte or glossy, it's going to create a great colour base. Next we have Fiji Water. This colour is going to be mega popular. I have absolutely nothing like this in my whole collection, and it's going to be brilliant for both spring and summer. I also want to see about autumn as well, but I'm really not sure. Now Kiki London also have the rubber base coat and No Wipe rubber top coat available in a duo set or individually. Now I use these all the time. They are my favourite base coat and top coat to use. For the set it's £15.99 and individually they are £7.99. That is pounds. So again, extremely affordable. Now with Fiji Water, I don't know what colours I would use over the top. I need to have a play around, but I'm thinking white and some different greens. I can't wait to start with Fiji Water. Now whether it's glossy or matte, I absolutely love it matte. It is going to be stunning, and this has to be my favourite from the spring collection. I can see me using it a lot. Next we have Coral Whip, again another colour which is going to be good for not only spring and summer, but I also see autumnal leaf nails as well. Now I used a colour like this last year for Halloween mani, so anything is possible with this type of colour. Now as you can see from all the colours so far, they have just been 2 coats, and to be honest that's fairly normal for Kiki London gel polishes. They are really good coverage and highly pigmented. I do have a playlist for all the gel polishes I have from Kiki London here on my channel. So Coral Whip is a beautiful colour, glossy looks so pretty and matte looks good as well. I can see another very popular colour right here. Next we have Mojito Ice. I have many different shades of mint greens in my collection. I must have about 7 or 8, but they make great spring and summer floral manis, but also autumn leaf manis as well. Over the next few weeks I will be making some manis using these 6 colours. I have a load of stamping plates which are going to need some manis, and I'll also be turning these swatches into pop stick swatches for my stamping plate reviews, so you'll be seeing these very soon. So I have a lot of different green stamping polishes I want to try over Mojito Ice, so keep an eye out for them. Classic mint green colours look amazing, both matte and glossy. I've made many manis both ways, so I'll be using Mojito Ice quite a bit. And then finally we have Just Lavish. I have many shades of purple in my gel polish collection. For me, I can never have enough of the same type of shade of colour. This will be another one that I would use from spring through to summer and into autumn, as well for some Halloween nails as well. For me, this is a very versatile collection. That's just how I look at them, not just for one particular season. I have many different shades of purple stamping polishes I want to try over Just Lavish, but I also want to try my pinks as well. I think between Just Lavish and Fiji Water, they have to be my favourites from this collection. They are just beautiful. And whether you go for matte or glossy, it looks so pretty. I think I prefer it matte. There's just something about it. It's just so beautiful. So an absolutely stunning collection from Kiki London. You'll be seeing all of these colours featuring in my videos very soon. Do you have a favourite? Let me know in the comments below. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my Kiki London Spring 2019 collection swatch review. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.